Hi all, welcome to the review of Nifty Spot as on 19th January 2017 from technical analysis perspective. So what are the technical analysis parameters or patterns we are going to consider today? They are volume spread analysis, moving averages, divergences, supports and resistances, gap analysis, and harmonics. Now, let's start the top-down approach. We shall start the top-down approach from the weekly chart. So as you can see from the weekly chart, the swing high of around 8960, 8969 is the last swing high, and since then the Nifty has fallen almost to 7893. So this is almost around 1000 plus points. Finally, it took support at 90 weekly moving average band and then it started retracing. When the Nifty spot tried to reverse, the volumes were dismally low. However, as the Nifty spot reversed and started moving up, even the volumes have also started increasing. As you can see here, there are three green candles where the move happened from 7893 to 8460. It was supported very well by increasing buying volumes, which indicated that this is an authenticate strong move up. However, on the last Friday, when Nifty touched 8460, it faced resistance and we had a big bearish candle last Friday and it closed around 8400. So basically here it was resisted by 21 weekly moving average, which is around 8436. So since then, since the last swing low, we have never closed above 8436, which is 21 weekly moving average. And if you look at this week's volume and spread, the volume is much lower than the previous 4-week volumes. The spread is also smaller than the previous 4 weeks spread, which indicates slight exhaustion in the up move of Nifty. This week, it has been a lackluster performance from Nifty with very small ranges and with below average volumes. Though we have one more day left, I don't think the volumes tomorrow are going to be so great that it will be matching the last 2 weeks volumes. Let's now review the daily chart. In the daily chart, we had a double bottom formation around 7900 levels. Once it has happened was in November, the other was during the last week of December. As we already discussed, 7893 was the lowest, and from that level, the Nifty started moving up with considerably good volumes, say average to above average volumes, and it had a good move. However, last Friday, we can see a big bearish candle that has formed with a high of 8461 with a closing of 8400 and with above average sell volumes on that particular day. Now, this week we had 4 trading sessions till now. And in all the 4 trading sessions, we can see that the spreads are very narrow and there is some accumulation or distribution going on in, in this week's trading. The first 2 days were the normal consolidation patterns, but Wednesday and today, the volumes and spread gives me an impression that some distribution is happening. And major players are, may not be very interested to take the index up at this stage. Some mixed signals are also coming from their F&O data at the end of each day. Okay, now let's look at the other aspects too. So we have seen that the resistance in this particular zone is mainly from 100 DMA, 21 weekly moving average, then the gap from 11th of November and the 50% retracement at 8431 is also responsible for Nifty not moving up. Now let us look at the divergences. With RSI, when there was a swing low of 7893. So since then, the market has gone up. However, at the present juncture, we do not find any bearish or bullish divergences with respect to the other indicators. However, there is a possibility that if RSI goes above 72.7, then there will be a bearish regular divergence with respect to RSI. So, uh, so we may have to have a close watch of what RSI is also going to do, because right now at 67, it is very close to the overbought zone, and that need to be watched in the future. Okay. Finally, let us review the harmonic part. Now, we do have a bearish cipher that has been developed in the 60-minute chart of Nifty Spot. We did have a terminal bar, a long bearish candle that has formed around 16th, which is around 16th, and the point D is the highest of that particular candle. However, I do not see any big resistance for the potential reversal of Nifty just based on this harmonic cipher pattern. Though there may be some minor reversal in the short term, the short term. So I'm expecting the market may correct slightly from here to 8380 or 8330 or 8300, which are going to be very strong support levels. And again, the market may again look up from there. I'm only expecting the market to have a major reversal only from 8510 to 8550. This is based on the resistance level that we have seen in the previous daily chart, where just above the gap there was a resistance from 8510 to 8560. So here also we see that this yellow zone is the resistance that is formed at 8514 up to 8550, and this also happens to be 0.886 ratio, which signifies that it is a bearish shark pattern. And this bearish shark pattern, for bearish shark pattern, this is the lowest PRZ, while as the highest PRZ is somewhere around 8700 plus. So right now I'm assuming, though the market may correct in the near term to 8380, 8330 and 8300 levels, it is going to give a bounce to 8514 to 8550. Hence, going forward, I am a bit optimistic that the index may be around 8500 plus levels around budget time, and then depending on the budget, the shark pattern may come into the picture and a correction can come in just after that. Okay, we will again review immediately after the budget as to what Nifty is going to do in the near term immediately after the budget. See you all later. Thank you.